today on this gorgeous sunny day, and I've got an adorable cottage to show you on this quiet, secluded street on the outskirts of Finedon. I can't wait to show you around. This property is just oozing with character from this spectacular door and original style windows. It's got a beautifully refitted kitchen dining area with understairs storage. Leading through from the kitchen diner, you come through to this beautiful living space, which again is full of character, from its feature fireplace with fitted wood burning stove, a quirky office space and access to the rear garden. The upstairs of this property benefits from 3 generous sized bedrooms, a family bathroom, this being the master with fitted wardrobes and incredible views. To conclude this incredible property, we're here in the rear garden, which is lovely and peaceful, nice and private, with a good patio area, a large lawned area. If you'd like any more information, give Oscar James a call today.